Hello. Today I'm gonna show you tips and trick on how to increase your watch hours to easily and monetize your YouTube channel. Stay so you won't miss important details. So how I did this, watch now and don't skip. First you need to complete these requirements. Open your browser. Go to YouTube. Sign out your YouTube account. Now go to browser history and clear all of the data. After that, close your browser and reopen it. Go to YouTube. Your YouTube channel. Go to your playlist and make sure you have one. After opening your playlist, mute the video and pick the lowest quality. Now duplicate the tabs 10 times. Easy, right? Good news, you can also do it in another window for more watch hours and views. Now all you have to do is to wait until tomorrow to see the result. Have fun, happy grinding. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you have suggestions what kind of basic tutorials you want to watch next, I'm thinking about how to promote your channel free. Sounds good? Please leave a comment if you like.